What's up guys, Jesse here at the Harley-Davidson Garage. Did you know that 2023 marks Harley-Davidson's 120th anniversary? Today I'm going to show you a few products that you can add to your bike to help celebrate. Alright, today I want to show you Harley-Davidson's new 120th anniversary air cleaner trims, timer cover and commemorative flag. These parts and accessories make it easy to add anniversary themed colors and design elements to your bike. First, the two new air cleaner trim pieces and timer cover. These products come standard on the limited edition 120th anniversary paint models, but can be purchased by anyone looking to give their bike premium touches that celebrate Harley-Davidson's heritage. 120th anniversary heirloom red paint and gold accents will make these parts stand out beautifully on your bike. The standard and ventilator air cleaner trims are further decorated with 114 to indicate the engine's 114 cubic inch displacement and 120th anniversary script to commemorate this special milestone. The timer cover is accented with a gold bar and shield logo. These parts are super easy to install, so you can deck out your bike in no time. Models with OE wedge shape or with OE or accessory ventilator style air cleaners can accommodate the new air cleaner trims, and any Milwaukee 8 model can be fitted with the new timer cover. You can also parade proudly with decorative flags to celebrate the occasion. There are several designs to choose from. This black flag shows red and gold anniversary branding on polyester knit fabric. This flag post mounts to a Tour-Pak or a saddlebag. There are also other flag mounts which attach to uprights and other parts, so something to fit every bike. For these and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harley-davidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. That's it from me, your favorite Australian. We'll see you again next time.